Good day, everyone. Just before, I'm just going to quickly share my screen with you so I can show you the project. Just go back here. All right, perfect. So you should be able to see my screen. So thank you. My name is Taryn, and I just want to go over my final project for Duke University AI Product Management Specialization. I'm excited to present a solution designed for debt buyers and hedge funds, one that leverages AI to bring clarity, fairness, and performance to debt portfolio acquisitions. And the decision basically to acquire a particular portfolio. So that's what we're going to go through today. So Project Grandizer is an AI-powered recovery prediction for debt buyers and hedge funds. It's a powerful AI-driven solution that revolutionized the way debt buyers and hedge funds approach portfolio recovery predictions by streamlining the decision-making process, providing transparent and explainable AI insights, and addressing critical privacy and ethical considerations at the same time. Project Grandizer empowers users to make smarter, fairer, and safer investment decisions. So what we'll cover today. First thing we're going to look at is the task analysis, understanding the key problem and how Project Grandizer addresses that particular problem. Then we're going to look at the user experience design, exploring the streamlined user flow and AI-powered features we're building into our platform. Third, we're going to look at privacy considerations, ensuring the protection and sensitivity of financial data. Then we're going to look at ethical considerations, mitigate bias and promote transparent, fair AI decisions. And lastly, we're going to do a quick demo screenshot and conclusion of the dashboard and the key benefits of Project Grandizer. So currently, debt buyers really rely on intuition and manual spreadsheet reviews in order to determine whether a portfolio is worth purchasing. This is the task analysis problem. They often lead in misleading opportunities or worse, substantial financial loss when portfolio recoveries underperform. The problem I focused on is this: how can we help buyers determine before purchasing the portfolio whether a debt portfolio will cover at least 30% net after all expenses? And the opportunity when you go to present to acquire a portfolio from the main source, which is the main creditor, they give you a sample of the portfolio that you'll be able to analyze and look over yourself just to see what type of debt that is, what state it's from, and so forth, the amounts and so forth, in order for you to analyze yourself. So the key task here is making the bid or to skip the decision to actually acquire the portfolio. We simplify this into 3 steps. We upload the portfolio, view the predicted recovery percentage with confidence, and then basically decide and take action. Previously, this task required hours of manual review and sampling. Now it basically takes seconds. That's the value of Project Volton predictive model. So how do users interact with it? So as I was saying, they upload the portfolio, either a CSV or through an API. They view the prediction with confidence range. They understand the top 5 contributing features, which we'll discuss shortly, and they take action or provide feedback basically on provide feedback and saying we'll skip the portfolio, or we'll take a percentage of the portfolio, or half of the portfolio, or a quarter of the portfolio. That's the other thing that this our AI model will be able to do. So the top 5, as I was discussing before. So we have outstanding debt, the amount, the debt type, the type of asset that we're carrying. Is it credit card, medical, commercial, what type of debt it actually is. That is a big decision maker in whether to go after a particular debt as well. The payment history, the historical data of how they were paying before. That would also help us build out the model. The geographical region, where exactly in the country is that located, and what state, zip, and so forth. And also one of the main factors, the demographic factors itself. Confidence matters big time. So when someone's looking in at the hedge fund or the analysis, the person analyzing the portfolio, they're looking at confidence to show, okay, how confident is the prediction stating that we'll be able to get that net 30% return. So that is very important for Project Grandizer. So the big thing here is protecting sensitive financial data. Sensitive data includes social security numbers, um, phone numbers, financial status, data encryption. We're going to be using regulatory alignment, role-based access. So only certain individuals that are able to access the information and be able to make that decision. And usually that would be the debt portfolio manager themselves. And audit logs, composite audit logs to track data and access usage. So all of those things come into place. So our product uses highly sensitive personal information, as I said, financial data, social security numbers, debt amounts, and addresses. That means privacy compliance is essential. There's no rooms to maneuver or change or manipulate that at all. We're fully aligned with the Fair Credit Reporting Act and the Bliley Act in the U.S. and the GDPR if we're using data in that part of the world. Our safeguards include encryption, role-based access, as I mentioned, audit logs. We also minimize unnecessary data and anonymize wherever it's possible. That's their main push that we'll be doing with our project. Bias, fairness, and transparency. So ethical considerations. That is very important as in itself. So ethical AI isn't optional, it's foundational. We anticipate potential bias in historical data, such as unfair treatment across social, economic, or geographic lines. We address this by removing proxy features tied to protected classes, performing fairness audits across subgroups, logging predictions and actions for accountability. Transparency is actually built in. Each prediction comes with explanation and confidence ranges. We follow a framework of fairness, accountability, and transparency at every single level. So quick snapshot of a dashboard. So it'd be an interactive dashboard. Here I see a snapshot of the dashboard. Left panel shows the uploaded of the portfolio. And the right, you'll display predictive recovery and visual image of confidence, the key features that influence the output. And it'll be an AI-powered interface, basically all around. So it'd be easy UX design that someone be able to interpret the data quickly and be able to make a sound decision. So basically, our system drives smarter, fair, safer portfolio decisions. Streamline workflow for debt buyers. Project Grandizer simplifies the decision-making process for debt buyers, allowing them to make informed choices quickly and efficiently. Transparent, explainable AI decisions. The solution provides users with a clear and understandable explanation for the AI-driven predictions, promoting trust and accountability. Built for impact, scale, and ethical excellence, the solution is designed to have a significant positive impact on the debt recovery industry with scalability, a strong focus on ethical practices, and bias mitigated. So privacy, moving bias mitigation, privacy, respecting the predictions. Project Grandizer Advanced Algorithm ensures that the predictions are free from unintended biases and respect the privacy and sensitive financial data. I want to just thank you to take your time for reviewing this video. Project Grandizer is a powerful AI-driven solution that revolutionizes the way debt buyers and hedge funds approach portfolio recovery predictions by streamlining the decision-making process, providing transparent and explainable all settings for AI insights, and addressing critical privacy and ethical considerations. Project Grandizer empowers users to make smarter, fairer, and safer investment decisions. Thank you for taking time to view my capstone project.